Yay, I'm so excited. We have Bulgari here with us today for the incredible documentary of Lucia Silvestri for the Magnifica collection. And here I am wearing my B0 and a Chanel jumpsuit, vintage Chanel jumpsuit actually, in the beautiful theater Sigroutia da Tria in Athens. We're showing all the beauties from around the world that we collected here for our precious special clients. Beautiful Monete, Diva's Dream, and obviously the Serpenti collection that always amazes everyone. Lucia, beautiful as always, stylish, with my mom wearing their Monete. Everybody's asking for the Monete collection, but it's so hard to find. My brother and his wife, some treats for our guests. Here explaining to my dear friend Katie a few details about the jewelry that we see. Here with a new luxury goods designer, America Traju, and Evelyn Karadzoglu, of course, our beauty. And here with some friends, Daphne and Eleni, and they also get to see and experience all the new collections of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful brand. And yeah, we're all here eating some popcorn to watch the Inside the Dream, which will soon be with you with Amazon Prime in Greece as well, showing this amazing journey of each piece, not each piece, but a specific piece in this documentary, but it shows you how everything gets together to create all these beautiful, beautiful pieces that they make. More guests and more guests. We had a fun time. I'm there from lunch, so that's why you see me with a second outfit here, a green dress. Maria Sakkari, our tennis star, here with Evelyn and some more of our precious guests, me and my hubby, and some more moments of posing with jewelry. My dad always using the mic and welcoming the world in the kindest and most sweet way. Goodbye!